Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject general science. Our today's topic is natural gas. Natural gas, it is also a fossil fuel. It is another important fossil fuel. Natural gas, it burns easily and produces a lot of heat. Natural gas consists mainly of methane with small quantities of ethane and propane. The main constituent of the natural gas, that is methane. In addition to the methane, it contains ethane and propane. Natural gas, it occurs deep under the crust of the earth, either alone or along above the petroleum deposits. Natural gas has deep under the earth crust, either alone या petroleum deposit herken. Natural gas, it is formed by the decomposition of vegetable matter lying under the water. Natural gas is bana by the bacterial decomposition, by the anaerobic decomposition of the vegetable, by the vegetable matter, or by the decomposition of plants under water. This decomposition is carried out by anaerobic bacteria in the presence of oxygen. We see decomposition of organic matter or vegetable matter by anaerobic bacteria in the absence of oxygen. Natural gas is istemal kara as fuel for a number of purposes. As a fuel. For example, natural gas istemal kara as a domestic or industrial fuel. For example, natural gas burn easily and readily to produce a lot of heat. On this basis, it is used as a fuel. And in many areas, natural gas has used as the main fuel for domestic and industrial heating purpose. The natural gas istemal as a fuel, as a domestic and industrial fuel. Because natural gas burn readily and produce a lot of heat. On this basis, it is used as an fuel. It is an excellent fuel because it produces a lot of heat. Natural gas, it is used as a fuel in the thermal power plants for generating electricity. इस्तेमाल as a fuel in thermal power plants electricity generate karna. Third, compressed natural gas is being increasingly used as fuel in transport vehicles. Nowadays, this CNG gas or natural gas istemal as a fuel in transport vehicle istemal as fuel. It is a good alternative to produce petrol. Alternative petrols and diesel because it does not cause any air pollution. Pollution pollution cause Advantages of natural gas. Advantages natural gas being complete fuel in it can be used directly for heating purpose in homes and industries. There is no need to add anything else to it. This natural gas, it is a good fuel. Consider good fuel because it is calorific value. It has a high calorific value. Natural gas is a good fuel because it has a high calorific value अमिक कलोरिक वैल्यू हसा हाई यह इट प्रोड्यूसेस 50 kJ of energy per gram. It does not produce any poisonous gas on burning. यह कह poisonous gas on burning करा produce कह. On this basis, you see natural gas, it is an environmental friendly fuel as compared to other fossil fuels. This is all about natural gas.